In this window we see how to create a new account. Click on the little icon in the bottom right from the login page, insert the password to log in as administrator, confirm, and click on Create a new user. Now insert username, password, confirm password, and select the access type to create. You can choose one of 6 different permission levels: unknown, administrator, standard, consultant, secretary, limited, read-only, and click on Confirm. Digit a question to recovery password. Then click on Confirm. To remove an user, you must log in as administrator. Then click on Remove User in the same window, after selecting the user to be deleted, from the drop-down menu. Then click on Confirm. You can see all the users created in the Windows bottom, and you can also assign a picture to each one.